So here you go, class. We're going to show you how, first we're using Screencast-O-Matic, which is awesome, and I'm going to show you how to go to Thingiverse and upload a file into 123 Design. So we're going Thingiverse.com, and from Thingiverse.com I'm going to look up my stuff box, and there's my stuff box right there. It's really nice, made by this fine gentleman here, and I like that stuff box. So I'm going to go to Thing Files, and I'm going to click on it. It's downloading. I like to see where it shows up in a folder, so I'm going to go Show in Folder, and it highlights it for me. Now, if it was a really big file, it wouldn't just be a plain file like this. It would have one of these files, like this photo one, with a zipper, at which point in time I'd have to right click on it and I'd have to extract all, and then you're going to extract it to a location. On your computer, downloads is the only location that is not restricted, and that's what will show up. Okay, so here I have my stuff box, and I can look, and it tells me it's in my PC OS users me downloads, so you can follow the chain of where it's hidden. So I know it's downloaded. I'm good to go. I can minimize. I can go to my Thingiverse, or my 123 Design. I'm gonna save what I got going on here real quick, and then I'm going to go to Open, and I'm going to browse. It was in my downloads, I remember. Downloads. It should be alphabetical, which I believe it is. And there is my stuff box. And I can open it up. And there is my stuff box. Alright, so hope this works and helps you out, Thorin.